This video you're watching right now is generated using Seedance 2.0. Look at the motion, the realism, the cinematic flow. This is the future of AI video. Seedance 2.0 is coming. And the early signals are pointing to something big. Across the AI community, creators, developers, and researchers are already talking about what this new model could change in AI video generation. In this video, we're breaking down everything that's publicly known so far: the early announcements, the community discussions, the technical signals, and the real examples that are already circulating online. We'll look at what Seedance 2.0 is expected to bring, how it's different from previous versions, and why it can set a new standard for AI storytelling. We'll also briefly walk through Higgsfield.ai to show how creators will be able to access Seedance 2.0 and what the workflow will look like at a high level. Is a pre-release breakdown based on real public sources and real community signals. So if you're a creator, filmmaker, editor, or AI enthusiast, this is one you don't want to miss. Let's begin. Seedance 2.0 is coming, and everything about it points to one thing. AI video is about to enter a completely new era. Creators are watching closely. Early signals are everywhere, and the hype is not random, because what's coming next could change how AI videos are made, edited, and structured forever. Higgsfield is quickly becoming one of the most creator-friendly AI platforms in the world, built not just for generation, but for real production workflows. And now, they're preparing for the release of Seedance 2.0, a next-generation AI video model that's already creating serious anticipation across the internet. This isn't just a feature update. This is a new phase of AI video creation. Seedance 2.0 is expected to introduce a new level of intelligence to AI video generation. Early information suggests it will support multimodal inputs, meaning images, videos, audio, and text can all be combined into a single creative workflow. Instead of simple prompts, creators will be able to build structured scenes using references, motion sources, character images, music, and story direction together. This transforms AI video from clip generation into cinematic storytelling. One of the strongest early signals is native audio-visual generation. That means audio and video are created together, footsteps matching movement, ambient sound adapting to scenes, motion syncing with music, and dialogue feeling natural. Another major expectation is in-model editing, where creators can modify videos using text prompts instead of regenerating everything from scratch. Swap characters, change backgrounds, extend scenes, modify sequences, all through prompts. This dramatically reduces production time and increases creative control. And then there's motion synthesis. Seedance 2.0 is expected to deliver smoother movement, realistic physics, detailed gestures, and professional choreography that feels physically grounded, not floaty or artificial. The visuals you're seeing right now come from early Seedance 2.0 examples and public demos, and the quality already speaks for itself. Smoother animation, better lighting, more realistic textures, cinematic color grading. This looks less like experimental AI and more like professional digital production. It's not just prettier video, it's structured video. When you look at the official Higgsfield Seedance 2.0 page, you can already see the positioning. This is not a casual tool, it's a professional AI system. On social media platforms like X, official teasers and creator reactions are building anticipation. And on Reddit and community platforms, the conversation is consistent. Creators are expecting a major leap in AI video realism, consistency, and storytelling control. Different platforms, Seedance 2.0. It's not just an update, it's an evolution. What makes this even more powerful is that Seedance 2.0 will live inside the Higgsfield ecosystem. That means creators won't just generate videos, they'll manage full AI workflows. From inputs, references, story structure, generation, editing, and export, all inside one platform. This is AI production, not just AI generation. Seedance 2.0 represents something bigger than a model upgrade. It represents a shift in how creators think about AI. From random clips to real storytelling, from single prompts to structured narratives, from experiments to production pipelines. This is where AI video stops being a tool and starts becoming a creative partner. You're a creator, filmmaker, editor, storyteller, or content builder. Seedance 2.0 is something you should be watching closely. Sign up through Higgsfield to get early access, because when Seedance 2.0 goes live, the creators who move first won't just use it, they'll lead with it. And this is only the beginning of where AI video is heading.